In this video, we're going to take a look at how you can rate, share, and compare interviewer evaluations in the Udex app. That being said, let's see how it's done. So we'll go ahead and hit Add for Add Candidate in the home screen here. And we'll start by putting in some basic information about the candidate, like the position they're applying for, their name, and email address. And now we can select the interviewer or interviewers that we want to interview and rate the candidate. And now we can choose from the 16 behavioral categories that Udex provides, like adaptability, ambitious. These are all of the categories that the interviewers will rate the candidate on. So as soon as we're done selecting those, we want to see just how ambitious this candidate is by having them provide their references where their reference can rate them as well. And we'll select the interview date and time and we'll hit add. And now we're ready to rate the candidate. Now let's see just how easy it is to rate candidates through the mobile app. Once the interview has been completed, the interviewer simply opens the app and they'll find that they have a pending evaluation under the sales manager position. So they simply tap where it says sales manager and that'll show them the list of candidates that have been interviewed for that position. And there we see we have a pending evaluation, so we'll tap evaluate and that brings us to the evaluation screen. Now if there's any confusion over the behavioral categories and what exactly they're rating, they can tap the information icon and see not only a definition of that behavioral category, but what to watch and listen for when interviewing candidates. So once they're ready, they can simply tap the 1 through 5 scale to rate the candidate. And once they've done that, interviewers are strongly encouraged to use the audio capability to provide true accountability and record details about the interview that otherwise would be lost. So once they've recorded those details, they can simply hit submit. And just like that, the candidate has been rated. And that's it, the simple and effective way to rate, share, and compare interviewer evaluations. Remember, the most effective interviews capture specific examples of behaviors, so dig deep and ask for details.